Welcome. In this presentation, you will learn how to use free or inexpensive online tools to help you build your own website. The information contained here has been prepared by Civitas Strategies and is not intended to constitute legal, tax, or financial advice. The Civitas Strategies team has used reasonable efforts in collecting, preparing, and providing this information, but does not guarantee its accuracy, completeness, adequacy, or currency. The publication and distribution of this information are not intended to create, and receipt does not constitute, an attorney-client, or any other advisory relationship. Reproduction of this information is expressly prohibited. Only non-commercial uses of this work are permitted. In today's presentation, we will discuss the ways in which a website is beneficial to your business, how to choose the perfect free or inexpensive tool to create your site, and a general overview of the steps you will take while building your site. A website plays an important role in your childcare business marketing plan, as it is a way to communicate the most important details of your business. It can serve as your main marketing resource by promoting what your program offers to prospective parents and children, and can outline your mission statement so that the reader has a clear understanding of your childcare vision. It can help attract and inform potential employees, and can even contain a page where a prospective employee can fill out an application. It can serve a crucial role in your communications with your current families by featuring any information you would like to share. Your website can include enrollment documents and can potentially have a page where families can pay tuition. You have options regarding the creation of your website. One option is to hire a professional website developer. This is a hands-off approach where the developer controls all aspects of creating and maintaining your site. Your second option is to use one of the many online tools available that allow you to take control of the design and maintenance of your site. Hiring a website developer may initially seem like your best option, but there are drawbacks to using a professional developer. These services are more expensive than using the majority of website building tools. Website developers often require long-term contracts, and the breaking of a contract can cause you to lose ownership of your site. When working with a developer, you may have a loss of creative control, and you may have limitations to when the developer can make changes and upgrades to your site. There are many advantages to using free or inexpensive online website building tools. They offer full creative control with many different design options, and are very intuitive and easy to use. The majority of tools walk you through the design process, using prompts and tips, so you do not need any previous website development experience. Having complete control over your site means that you can control any changes that you want to make to your content and layout. You will also find that there are a large number of tools available, which gives you many options, depending on the type of design processes and elements you are looking for. When developing and designing your site, there are several steps you will take to ensure a well-designed site that matches the needs of your business. In the following slides, we will outline some of the tools. The first step you need to take before beginning to design your site is to decide on the domain name of your website and to register the name with one of the many companies offering domain registration. A simple website search for domain registration will result in many options. Keep in mind that while fees can be minimal, there are ongoing costs associated with registering and maintaining your domain name, and you will want to include these costs in your marketing budget, as you want to make sure you continue to pay the fees and do not lose ownership of your site. You will decide on your domain name, and then use the registration site to arrange for your ownership of the site. Your domain name should be easy to remember and tied to your business name. You'll be using it on all of marketing materials and social media going forward. At times, it can be frustrating to find a domain name that isn't currently being used. Consider adding your town name to your domain name, so that anyone searching for you is sure that they found the right site, and you are less likely to have issues with finding a domain name that is available. There are many sources online that will help you check the availability of your desired domain name and will walk you through the domain registration process. Once you have decided on your domain name and registered it, the next step will be to decide what online tool you will want to use. Consider if you will be budgeting for a low-cost tool, or if you prefer to use a free tool that may have some design and storage limitations. Research the features and options that are important to you. The amount of templates available varies from tool to tool. You will want to choose a tool with a variety of available templates to customize the look of your site. Editing features such as drag and drop make creating your page layouts very easy. You'll also want to find a tool that offers help options in case you need assistance while designing. Your next step will be to make a list of the content you want to include on your site. Some good ideas of what to include are location, hours of operation, ages served, rates, who you are and your vision for your program, policies and procedures, events, calendar, how to enroll, schedule to appointment, a page for prospective employees. You can include an option with a link to apply, a list of the benefits available, the requirements for employment. Take time to determine what you'd like to include before you start your layout. Make sure to write text and gather files of photographs that best illustrate your business. If you are including any pictures of children that you care for, make sure to obtain permission from their parents before posting. If you are unsure of what you would like to include, visit childcare business websites that you admire for ideas. First, pick your template to choose the overall look of your site. Second, edit your home page to add text, such as the name of your business, your logo, a brief description of the services you provide, or your mission statement, and a portion of your contact information, such as your phone number. You will be able to add descriptive links to the other pages on your site, usually located at the top of the home page. You can select the font style, size, and text colors from the options menus, often found on the right or left sides of the page. Third, create multiple pages to include all of the information you've decided to feature on your site. You will be able to insert photos and add any other elements you'd like. Get creative and experiment with the layout. Fourth, you can stop and save your work at any time. You may want to enable the autosave feature available in most tools, so that you do not lose your hard work. Fifth, once you have created all of the pages you'd like, it is a good idea to have a friend or another set of eyes take a look at what you've created. They can offer suggestions and help you proofread the site. You may also want to take the opportunity to see how your site will look on multiple devices, since your site may look different on a phone or tablet. Most tools have an option that allows you to also design your site for devices other than a desktop or laptop. Sixth, you can now choose to go live and publish your site. Remember, your site is not live until you publish it. At any time after publishing your site, you can update information, add additional pages and photos, and change your layout. While you won't want to change the entire look of your site too often, you will be able to make as many changes as you like going forward. Seventh, don't forget to create a schedule to revisit and update your site. You'll want to make sure your site is always current. Add this schedule to your marketing calendar and make it a part of your routine review of your marketing plan. For more information, visit the Child Care Collaborative of Iowa website or email fmc@midsioux.org.